Okay, this is a really nice home study that you're about to do. It's your deep marking task. So you will be marked on this, and this will be taken into account when we actually decide how you've done at the end of this module. Okay, so your brief. You're going to imagine the Science Museum has asked you to make a model cell for display. You need to make a model of a specialised plant or animal cell. So that's a plant or animal cell that actually is adapted to do a special job. You need to use the keywords. So we've got a list of keywords here that you need to use to label each part of the model cell clearly. And make an information card. Maybe use a key to describe what the cells are. Okay, we've got a few examples here. Now, I don't want you to copy these. These are just an idea of the range of different things that are possible, but there's loads and loads more ideas that you could use. So we've got cells that are in boxes. There's a key with them. Pipe cleaners have been used, papier-mâché. We've got another cell in a box. I think that's plasticine that's been used there, maybe a milk bottle top. And what you can see is that a lot of these have been done with everyday things. Okay, we do not want you to go out and buy expensive materials for this. Okay, that's really important. You can find things at home. There's lots of things you can find: foil, old cardboard boxes, sweet papers. If you've got things at home that you could already use. There are lots of ways that you can do this, not just the ones on this page. We've had cakes brought in, all sorts of things. Okay, so these are just to give you a taster of what other students have done, but I want you to be imaginative. Okay, maybe you've got a crafts talent you can use. Maybe you can sew or knit or crochet. Maybe you can do model making. Think about your skills and what you could use to make this amazing model cell. Now the key thing is that it's 3D, so it's not just a drawing. It has to have bits that are three-dimensional, that stick out, okay, not just flat drawing. Now this is how we're going to mark you. This is very helpful to you because you can see what you're going to get marked on. And we've got foundation, developing, secure and excellent. So we're going to start with excellent. If you've made a specialised cell, so a cell that does a special job, for example a root, hair, ovum, sperm, or any of the other specialised cells that you have learnt about, if you've used scientific detail, so you've gone into lots of detail, labelling all the parts of the cell correctly, you've explained the jobs of each part of the cell correctly and in detail, and also how its shape helps it to do its job, then you're likely to get excellent. If you've made the model of a specialised cell, labelled it correctly, explained the jobs of each part of the cell and explained simply why it's good at its job, then you will get secure. For developing, you must have made an accurate model plant or animal cell and have labelled all parts correctly. You also need to have described what cells are like and what they do, and also describe the job of each part of the cell correctly. And for foundation, you must have made a simple model of a plant or animal cell, identified a part of the cell correctly, stated some simple facts about cells, so how you see them, maybe what they do, what they're like. Okay, so if I were you, I would be looking at that list for excellent and thinking about how I could do my model cell to achieve all the things on that list. Okay, now it's over to you. So you need to go away, come up with a really original and imaginative way to make a 3D specialised cell model. Okay, and then you can bring that in. We might, if we've got time in a lesson, get some people to present their cell models to the class. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you do. It's over to you.